kids! Today we'll draw some household tools. Let's start off with a hammer. Repeat after me. Hammer. Now, let's draw a handsaw. It looks so sharp. I think it looks so nice. Next, some pliers. I really like drawing. Let's draw a wrench. Repeat after me. Wrench. Now, let's add some blue paint. Some to the wrench. Hammer. Some to pliers. And some to the hammer. I love how this looks. Now, let's add some yellow paint to the wrench. Repeat after me, yellow. Now, let's add it to the pliers. To the hammer. And to the handsaw. Handsaws are very dangerous. Be careful. Now let's make one half of the pliers red. And a part of the hammer red too. Repeat after me. Red. Now let's add purple. I really like purple. And green. This color is green. Let's add some orange. It's so nice. Repeat after me. Handsaw, hammer, pliers, and wrench. Goodbye, kids!